To be honest, nice move on silver. There are bullish FVG in 15 minutes, so it's risky. Enter short now for me. Who knows? I'm not smart money trader. FVG, I don't use that. To be honest, because it's not my strategy. My strategy is pullbacks and some kind of momentum trades. FVG on 15 minute. You mean this one? Ah, this one, right? This FVG. But even until FVG, where it start? It start, I think, from where? From 38, 41, 24, right? Even there, you have 80 pips. You could jump 80 pips and with stop loss 40 pips, it at least 2 hours. And right now you could be already 1 hour in profit. Until your next zone, there is a 25 kilometer. Sell now from 41.32. You're just telling what I told already. This is currently 5 minutes. By the way, until 38 fib is less than $20, so just 180, so it's risky. I don't like Tuesday, guys. That's why I'm not taking risky trades today. Because Tuesday, I hate Tuesday. I'm in trading on Tuesday. Especially during some session before market closure. The best trades comes at the end of the day. I mean profit-taking factor for sure. Yeah, as you can see, EMA. EMA working very well. But who knows, can we get some pullback or not? Hey. Not enough. If we come back at least for 61, 61.50, I can attempt a short to catch some momentum. Hi. Even, you know, why market? Yeah, silver pushing lower and gold started pushing lower. Did anyone took this short or not? Just interesting. If you took this short, guys, just put your stop loss at break even. Very good. Can you send me a profit in direct message, please? Wow. Bro, send me a screenshot of your profit to me, please. And put your stop loss at break even. By the way, let's check 15-minute. Price reacting from almost from EMA, but missed by 3 pips. And to be honest, I don't want to take any buy in this zone, because from my experience, it's gonna smash everything and possible reaction from the trend line again. Thank you, bro. And move here will be $32. Not bad. Well, you can bring my call. You can bring my call. You can bring my call. Entry will be... What is a good exit from this trade? I don't like that distance between two levels is 60 pips. 60 pips, what it means that my stop loss is 50 pips. It's not fit to my stop loss. Thank you, bro. I hope you put your stop loss at break even. By the way, don't put it, because I think you took already most of your position, right? What can happen now? Price can just go a little bit higher, grab some liquidity, and then drop again. You can bring my call. You can bring my call. You can bring my call. So let's come back to our this buy level. I got out, just needed 150 a day low. Very good. It's okay. Come back to this zone. Look here, zone is 60 pips. You don't see here, right? Distance is 60 pips. My regular stop loss is this is my stop loss, you see? But it's just above the next level. And this level is a nice liquidity level. What it means that price just come, grab liquidity from this all level, you know, smash all of us, and then make a pullback. Of course, safest way will be the lower one. I got out, just needed one. Brother, you can... I earned you money for my VIP. I'm in with a small size of position. Very small. Well, I'm not interested in this one because distances. But $25 is okay, by the way. If this level will be breached, this one is much better. But if I see that silver is pushing lower, by the way, silver is still under the level. $61 nearby, by the way. Let's see our 41.18 zone. Why why I'm thinking about this zone, because I'm waiting for silver. If silver breach lower, then I'm not interested, because the XC pushing, the XC is strong and going against. What the reason to trying to catch falling knife, right? There is no reason. By the way, I need to let me show you something. Just a second, I will show you something. Price, I had some buy with a very small risk from 41.18, from 41.16. And price missed my TP by 3 pips. How can I show you? Just a second. Just a second, I will show you here on my phone. It was from on my second account. Here was my TP. Here's my entry. Here's my TP. And it missed by 3 pips. If you are still shorting, as I said you, and if you want to hold it, just hold it. I'm in with a small size of position and I didn't give it in VIP. Why? Because it's risky. It was risky and I want just strong setups on my VIP. Well, let me check 15 minutes. Nothing. By the way, I didn't check 1 hour. This is a strong zone for me, guys. This one is a nice strong level. I delete this one. From H1 side. I mean 41.70, around like that. 15 minutes and back to 5 minutes. If we fail to make pullback here, if it's gonna be breached, I'm definitely interested in this zone. But for that, I'm just waiting, still waiting. By the way, I see that the XC gonna make some little retracement right now. It means that we can get some retracement also on gold. Yeah, I'm waiting. Let me just copy this one, area of interest, so you can know that, so you will know where's my area of interest. This one. But again, guys, this zone is risky because of liquidity sweep. And you have to cover all this level if you're gonna buy, because price can grab liquidity and then make a pullback. I'm just gonna make it like that. What is 61 if we check this? Down. Yeah, not bad. Let's see. Well, maybe anyone want to check his trading or not? Maybe you have some questions from psychology side, from pattern side, or something else. Are you available? It's not moving. Cancel, but I don't like this pullback for this level. I don't like it. Yeah, why not? I see the DXY started to retrace a little bit. So possible push up on gold right now. 3 minute. Cancel, silver showing me retracement pattern for sure. Wow, silver pushing, starting out. I forgot English. For me, silver very short-term bullish right now. Let me explain you what I mean by that. How can I switch my anyway, not happening right now on gold side. I can open it here. Where you entered now? In silver? I mean, these two candle usually showing reversal pattern when one pin bar like this inside second one. I hope you understand. This one is pin bar and he's inside previous candle, and these two candles showing reversal. Let me show you more examples. For example, this one. You see pin bar inside previous candle, some short-term reversal. Let me show you another one. What's the idea? Idea that, for example, we have one level, right? This is a level. This is our level. Price pushing, making strong push, then creating little pullback with pin bar, then pushing a little bit higher, grabbing liquidity, and then reverse. This is the idea. Same vice versa for the buy. And as you can see right now, let me show you a price at the level currently. Where is purple? Give me purple. Yeah, this one. Price currently at the level, this level. And it's showing something reversal at the level exact. So if you are still in buy, 41.26. Wow, good. I wanted to buy from 41.25. I also messaged that in my VIP that I'm waiting buy from EMA. But then EMA moved and price of course changed. Let me just move. Stop loss at break even. By the way, right now we have straight push up. I'm interested again in this short level. Why? Because we have enough move. But I want straight move up, then catch pullback. If price will start to move some pullbacks before this level, of course, I'm not going to be interested. So my stop loss at break even already from risky, very risky trade. $41. $41.25. I messaged 41.25 in my VIP. If you are in the trade, just keep it. Yeah, silver also, as you can see, pushing, starting to pushing higher. And the XE, where is the XE? Show me the XE. 4 hour. Wow, wow, wow. If I get some retracement on the XE right now, I will confirm that we very short-term bullish, very, very short-term. But remember what I said to you before, I'm expecting further drop on gold. Yeah, because that's why all buy is risky right now. Holla at me. Gold entered, I think, in some kind of boring timing. Can you tell me what you see here? Does anyone understand? Some kind of flag, but yes, my area of interest here from this level, 61 fib and third touch of trend line. By the way, if we drop exact right now, this third touch will be perfect. Oh, finally, YouTube open. Message me in Telegram, bro. Hi, how you determine if the certain I don't use any indicator. I have just this EMA, that's all. Nothing else. Hi from Sri Lanka. I lived there 2 months. Just when I left Russia, I went to Sri Lanka first. Just a second, guys. I need to make some screenshot. Ah. How do you determine if a certain part of strong resistance support between new to trading to learning? Uh, how to explain to you where is support? You see this rejection? This is a key level. This one is key level. This is a resistance. This one is support. It's just where the price makes some reversal, you know. Along the way, you can get some small rejections. Oh, sorry. You can get this one, you know, it's just small rejections. So I'm not paying attention to that. By the way, 41.25 was nice. What EMA are you using? It's a secret. Can you talk about the business of trading a little bit? How many prop firm so you need to be full? Let's move. For example, from the start, if you want everything depends from your goal. My goal when I was started to trading prop was build my own live account because I don't like the rules and timing and everything. So I can't hold the trades over the weekend and another million rules. I didn't like that, so I just decided to use prop firms to create my own live account. um, you can just start from small amount. If I'm not wrong, the minimum amount for $2,500 account is $30. $30, and then you can just pass it, scale, 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 scale. I don't know your lifestyle, but I think that 10K in a month is enough, right? Right. Uh, you can get 2,200K account and just make 5%. 5%, it will be 10K. 10K from 200K account is good. And then you can just scale, scale, scale until you get some maximum. I recommend strongest. FTMO, Pfeiffer's, funding pips, like that. I don't use some shit prop companies, so I can recommend you anything. Right now, I'm looking for some prop company to collaboration, so I can make some giveaway of prop accounts and pass prop accounts for anyone who want that. 5K, yeah. 5K, to be honest, is enough for me also. As long as I'm not spending a lot, as just everything what I spend is for my family. I don't need much. I have a nice car already. I have a house already. What I need else? I'm just traveling. In a couple months, I'm gonna move to. I'm just thinking to Colombia or to Chile because right now I wanna travel a little bit in Latin America, and definitely I will go to Costa Rica. Costa Rica is a perfect country. By the way, price right now at some resistance level. And of course, you can scale, 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 and just use copy trader to copy your accounts. But some prop firms, if you are profitable, they banning you. Time trader. What mean time trader? Let me check silver. Nice here. Yeah, as you can see, some reversal pattern working right now, but it did just 35 pips. Did it push higher or not? Let me check 15 minute. Not yet. It not pushed higher. So we come back to gold. It's boring, boring, boring. By the way, this short was close at break even. What about 15 minute? If anyone in buy, keep it. Keep that buy. Brother, you are in from 41.26, right? I hope you took some profit at 90 pips. My plan was, as I said, buy from 41.25 from EMA, but it's price changed. That's why I didn't give signal. So coming back my this area of interest, and right now it depends from the size of move. If I get straight push right now here, then of course I will be interested in shorting again. But it's not confirmed yet. This just area of interest. And if we get, for example, some straight push exact to this duplicated trend line with third touch, it will make my BS stronger. So let's wait. Patience, guys, patience. By the way, I'm changing this one. As long as I'm not interested in this area again, I'm deleting this one. And this one is a nice break retest area for me right now. And this one also. Just 23 pips. No. What I mean by break retest? Break, retest, further drop. By the way, price reacting right now from 61. Almost from 61. And how I'm building my duplicated trend line. Let me check. Let me show you. First of all, we have this one, right? We have this trend line. I'm keep this one because it's much stronger for me. As long as my BS is bullish, I make it like that. And we have second one, but it's not confirmed yet. It's not confirmed yet. So if price, what I want price breach this trend line and breach this level, go lower and jump on retest, especially exact from trend line. Because if you will jump from this level, price can go higher to make retest from this one. So we can cover all this area. What the reason to keep so big? Very good, we're pushing. Yes, yes, it's pushing good. very risky, but we didn't get break of this level. But if you want, you can short further. I'm not in just because price not fits to my rules. As I said just 2 minutes ago, I want breach both. But it breached just one. That's why it can be just simple fake out. So no, for me no. It's at 41.25 against smart to get in. No. Price already did. Look. 100 pips. It's 2 hours already. So what's the reason? What about 15 minute? By the way, 15 minute, this one showing some strong further bullish. Sorry, bearish. Which bullish? Yes, it can drop, but it's not fits to my rules, personally. I want to breach both trend line and this level. You see? But it's breach just trend line. So it can be easily fake out. What about 41.20? What I can learn your strategy? I will open new channel in my VIP today where I will upload all learning materials, and there will be video breakdowns of the market every day, every morning. I will send, and I will send also. I'll start to send also learning material there. Guys, you have to you should have, you know, rules, exact rules. Without any exact rules, you will not become profitable, never. You know, you should have your risk management. For example, what I mean about rules. For me, rule number one, and yeah, you see, my rule was break this and break this. It's not fit my rules, so I'm not in the trade. And second rule, if I had, for example, this short level, right, as you remember before, if I see that price made already TP2, my rule is this level is missed. So my third rule is I'm not trading pre-New York session 1 hour, because I call it liquidity grab timing, because price in this time just moving up, down, up, down, up, down, you know, when your some levels can be just liquidity sweep and then retrace. That's why I don't trade it. What about 41.20? What is that for 41.20, bro? I don't see anything. How to join? Just message me in Telegram, bro. Link in bio. I trade with FPG, Fortune Prime Global. But problem is that there is some countries is restricted. For example, like US, you know, but actually US restricted almost at a lot of brokers. Yeah, let's go 5 minutes. So, what was your question? How to join? You should trade with my broker. It's first option. If you don't want to trade with my broker and you want to trade probe, just message me. I will tell you, because I can't tell on TikTok stream. By the way, TikTok not accepting my reels. You know why? Because it's trading reels. By the way, in Instagram, it reached already 3 million views. Second reels reached 2.5 million views. But TikTok said, no, you can't do that. I was, okay. You see, it was, I think, simple. Yep, of course. Do you have any question? No? Also, the last, what you mean? Yes, I told that it's bearish at the beginning of my stream. I told you that it's bearish because of DXE breached pivot point at the first reason. Second reason, silver. Silver already at low, you see, while gold is here. No, I think we'll be right if I do this one. It's gold daily, but silver already here. That's why I'm expecting further drop on gold. I think bearish now. We're into the level, so the last rejection is due to the resistance broken yesterday, which is the low of yesterday. Yeah, right, absolutely. And and from fundamental side, I don't see anything right now. So why it can drop more? And of course, look at this candle. But again, it's 5 minute. Look at 15 minute. Guys, 15 minute is the key, you know, for your trading. I can suggest you just don't go lower. 5 minutes, 3 minutes. If you are not, I see a smart money trader. I'm not. Thank you, bro. Because on 5 minutes you can get, you know, a lot of fake outs. Fake outs, fake outs, fake outs. But 15 minutes is the key. My favorite time frame is 1 hour. For example, look at this clean break retest level. It's 61 break retest, right? Like that. And my advice, second advice, skip pre-London and skip pre-New York. 1 hour. Why? Because it's a liquidity in this time, price looking for liquidity. And you can get simple liquidity sweep this time and everything else. Believe me, because I had a lot of losses, even exact at one time before New York Open. I think at least 80% of all my losses before, it was exact at 1 hour pre-New York. So I just stopped trading 1 hour pre-New York. You know, and to make some decisions like that, you should have your journal. Why? Because where you put everything, you know, and it shows you what works for you and what not working for you. And I saw that, for example, this 1 hour pre-New York is my bad timing. So why I should trade on that time, right? Right. And secondary, if you see that something worked for you, and you just then, when you see this again, you just press the fucking buy or sell. Why? Because you see that journal showing you that it works, right? In 90% or 80%, it works. And keep your TP or stop loss. Because I know the common problem of a lot of traders that they can allow full stop loss, but when price in profit, they start to close it and not let them go to full TP. It's also the big problem. I had this problem. 1.15 minutes is my best time frame entry and 1 hour is determined. Yeah. It's very good. But start to look for 4 hour also, bro. 4 hour also is good for direction, I mean. Just my daughter woke up, sorry. And best advice what I can give you is journal. Journal everything. Without journal, you can't see your progress or your losses and everything else. We are here not for gambling, you know. If you want to gamble, there is a lot of things where you can do that. But believe me, this business trading can give you real freedom. Trading is a very hard way to easy money. Just remember that. Trading is a really hard way to very easy money. When you can make, you know, your parents' salary just in one trade or in a two trade, like that. What to do? My rule is for that, if I don't see the trade in first 5 or 10 seconds, it means that there is no trade. You know, for example, I open the chart, and if I don't see the trade in 5-10 seconds, first 5-10 seconds, It means that there is no trade. No need to sit and just trade where is no trade. It's bullshit. For example, in February I had the worry. I think in February maybe 2 trades in the week. Yes, it was in February. Why? Because there was no trades. What to do? Not rushing trades. Maybe you have any questions? No? Maybe psychological side or technical side. Yes, from the morning I was waiting for the drop from the morning. But I saw this 61 fib. Let me show you. Do you see on TikTok? No? I'll do like that. Yes, it's okay. I saw this 61 fib. You see? I mean this one. But I have no anything else. For me, to take a trade, I need 2 confluence, One confluence like 61 fib is not enough for me. For me, I need 61, maybe timing, key level, EMA, or something else. But 2 confluence is minimum for me to take a trade. Here, yeah, it was a nice push, but I had just 1 confluence. So that's why I didn't took it, and I didn't give anything in VIP. By the way, this trend line, I'm not interested anymore. I will extend this one to like that. Yep. We are waiting. Guys, just how to beat your fear and FOMO. Do you know how many prop accounts I blew? I told already yesterday it was 25. First of all, again, is journal. Fear. It's help you to beat your fear, because journal again show you everything. And if you see that it works, why you gonna fear? Why? Of course, I had the same before. Do you know which fear I had? I had the fear of, for example, if I see some strong 1 candle like knife move in my area, of course, I start to scare that it will be breached. But then from my journal, I took that if the size of the move more than $30 move, it means that after that I can expect some profit taking. Again, this conclusion was from my journal, and after that I just stopped to scare you, or how to say correctly in English. Again, just journal, and more you lose. If you lose without journaling and without taking any knowledge from you lose, it's just gambling. But when you lose and take some knowledge from that, taking some notes from that, you're just paying for your education again. When was your last loss? Of what? Prop account? I don't know. I was maybe last 2 years ago. I'm not trading prop accounts for a long time already. I'm trading just live account. Live account, I I think 5 years ago maybe. I'm trading already 8 years, and first 3 years I was losing from 8 years. First 3 years. Loss. Then after 3 years of some experience, I start to gain. But like that, I lost around 150 150. Wow. I was working on 9-5 job. Yeah, I was working on restaurant. I was working in a restaurant, and money which I was earning from restaurant, I was investing in trading again. But my first 3 losing years could be cutted for, I guess, for 1 year. Why? Because first 2 years I didn't had any system, I didn't had any plan, I didn't had journal, I didn't had anything. Just after 2 years, I started to build something, and I started to journal, to create some plan, and 1 year after, I become some profitable. I put 1K, like, unable to. I didn't get you, bro. Understand. Just I can give you a simple question. Do you have system, plan, and journal? How much you put in? If I'm not wrong, it was around 5K. 5K, then I blew a little bit, then I again came to 5K, 6. Then I started to trade on prop firms, and with prop firms, I just built my live account, because the goal from prop firms was building my live account, first of all. Guys, I will come back in a minute, please. 1 minute. I'm back. Wow. What happened? I think we're gonna range right now. I mean this range. It will go up, 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 up. Where is DXC? DXC is still there. Silver also still there. Is it mean that we're gonna range? 40 trading account, how we get it lost? Wow, 8 years, how much you put in? 1K is good. Why not? Listen, if you have strategy, right, and good win rate and good risk reward, you could just put 10% risk on your 1K and just double, 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 double. It's not a problem. When do you know that you have become a trader profitable? Maybe when you earn more than you lose, I think. In this moment, you know that you are profitable. I just counted, all money which I lost that time. And when I saw that I already got much more than I lost, then I understood that I'm profitable. What do you think of my zone 44, 41, 44, 49? 44, 49? Your zone is 50 pips. It's, for me personally, it's too big. If we see straight push, I'm going to take last confluence, of course. 0, 5, 10 buy. It just marked my zones, bro. This one, yeah, of course, it's of interest, but I want straight push. From here, it will be $25 move, and if it drop, 22, of course, but this one is stronger. Let me check, do we have something higher? Nope, we don't have anything higher. But that's why I'm not set pending here, because I'm, as I said, I went straight push. I'm still waiting. Mean we are on the same page. Yeah, we are on the same view, I can say. It's gold 5 minute. I can understand on YouTube is lagging or not. I can understand why it's cold. I have just one zone for now. But here is a risk that we can get some retracement from this zone, maybe. But of course, if we breach this zone, I'm gonna short from this level. Zone 41.63, 41.80. You mean Let me check. 63 for 80. Wow. This is your sell zone? Really? Let me ask you, where is your stop loss? Are we bearish still? Yes, I think we're still in bearish. I think we're still bearish. Look at DXC. DXC pushing higher. DXC pushing higher. Where is silver? Silver also not pushing higher. I mean, silver, yes, silver not pushing higher, DXC pushing higher. So yeah, for me, gold still bearish. Stop loss. What? Yeah, let's just let me just good joke, bro. Stop loss 5,500. Yes, my BS is still bearish. Because right now, gold related with DXC by fundamentally. Do you agree nowadays? Yeah. But DXC and gold not correlated. Yeah, right now, yes, I think that it's not correlated, but I can understand why silver and gold not correlated. Nothing, everything uncorrelated right now, uncorrelated. Okay, if we say that DXC and gold not correlated nowadays, exactly right now, but why gold and silver uncorrelated? It's a question. Yeah. Bitcoin and Ethereum also not correlated right now. That's what I call shit price action, you know? I like when everything is correlated. DXY, gold, silver. But right now, what a size of move? $25. But from if you look at, as I said already, at silver, look, silver not moving. You see? Silver creating some kind of range, not moving. H1 also, look, nothing happening. Gold pushing higher, DXY pushing higher. Interesting. Well, let me check stocks. US Tech. Ooh. Well, it's Nasdaq. Nasdaq daily. Nasdaq dropped a lot. Maybe that's why. But I see that Nasdaq dropped a lot because of the DXY pushing up. It's the first reason. Because dollar is expensive and stocks become cheaper. It's like in a textbook. Yeah, I sold 41.96. 41.96. This one? Yeah, it's it's a nice liquidity sweep zone, like, bro. If you sold here, it's very good short. Okay, let's wait further. But to be honest, I don't think that we will get something interesting today. First of all, it's Tuesday. Second reason, it's uncorrelated market. I don't like uncorrelated market. Yeah, and I don't like pullback right now. It's in the morning for me, that's why. Where from? Philippines, no? Singapore. Ah, yeah. For you, it's morning. Yeah, the XC pushing. The XC still pushing. This not. It's some kind of price action. Yeah, let's wait, guys, because by the way, right now I'm waiting short. Because as I said, for me, it's bearish. It's clearly bearish right now. Let me check. $76. Yep. Good job. Guys from VIP, I sent your signal if you see that. Well, we have some trade right now. Nice, nice, nice. As I said, I was waiting some short position right now as long as my BS is still bearish. Take partial at TP1, bro. I will add TP2 a little bit later. 2, 3, 4, a little bit later. Okay. Guys from you are AOA 61 FIB. Yep. It's from H1 61 FIB. Which one? This one? No. This one is 61 FIB and level on H1. But for this one, I didn't check FIB yet. Let me check, by the way. No, it's not 61. Boom, 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 boom. Nice. Patience, guys. We're ready. As I said, my BS is bearish. But we need to wait some confirmation and find some nice level to drop. Nice level to trade, I mean. Usually at TP1. Really boring market right now. Why? TikTok restricted again, as usual. I don't know why. I not vaped on the camera. How long streaming already? 2 hours. So guys, I think I'm finished for today. I'll come back tomorrow. For now, I have some position in my VIP. But not too much happening on market right now. So I'll come back tomorrow, and we will get some nice profit. Okay. Yeah, I'll come back tomorrow, guys. See you.